breaking news. The country is being taken by a major storm. It started in Virginia and has swept across the Northeast. We now take you live to the map for the latest update.
An all-natural replacement for your seasonings. It all began in a small town, but now, Feed Me Chutney has expanded its reach across the country, taking over kitchens, refrigerators, and pantries everywhere. Our nation's condiments are being replaced by fresh, all-natural chutney, and it's spreading faster than anyone could have imagined. We now bring in Professor Pickleton to explain what's happening.
Thank you. It all started in Montrose, Virginia. As it moved north and south along the coast, families began to abandon their factory-made sauces for this healthier alternative. The chutney reached Florida, converting barbecue sauce lovers, then spread west. Even the cheeseheads in Wisconsin embraced chutney as the ideal pairing for their aged cheddars. By the time it hit the Rockies, everyone was hooked. Fresh fruits, natural spices, and health-conscious recipes are the future. Feed Me Chutney is repelling those factory-made, overly processed sauces filled with artificial ingredients. The solution is to embrace the chutney.
Order now, www.feedmechutney.com.
Feed Me Chutney!